Hey Nico, welcome to Skydive Danielson.
Thanks.
How you doing today?
Doing pretty good.
Tell us what you're here to do.
I'm here to skydive.
Is this your first skydive?
It's my first skydive.
Awesome. Tell us exactly why you want to go skydiving.
Because I've always wanted to do it.
Awesome. All right, well, let me tell you what happens. We're going to fly 2 miles up in the air, jump out of a perfectly good airplane, free fall for 1 mile, parachute ride for another mile. Have an awesome time. How do you feel about that?
Feel pretty good.
All right, any words for your family and friends that are not here?
Yeah, you know what? I would say for them to come down here and try themselves. So.
Awesome. All right, you ready to skydive?
You take your things slow and ruin in the flow, and I know you don't have that much to say. You can't stand to lose, can't stand to play. So every single night you pick a fight with me, but I don't fight back cause I believe that you don't hit a man when he's so far down that he can't get himself up off the ground. So come real close and grab a clue, cause your girl just ain't going home with you. She and I have a few things to do. When three's a crowd, you know it's true. So take a shot, have a drink on me, go find yourself somewhere else to be. Cause right now this beat is all I need to pull this ace from out my sleeve. There's something in the air tonight. I can see it. We're gonna have a good time. Can you feel it? There's something in the air tonight. I can see it. We're gonna have a good time. Friday night turns Saturday morning. Get up and do it again. Nobody hurts, nobody cries, nobody saying when. You got your scars, you got your share of everything you need. But falling down and not getting up from the life you lead. I'm trying, I'm dying, and I can't hold on. I'm trying, I'm dying. Don't you know there's something wrong with me? Maybe tomorrow gonna be a better way. Maybe tomorrow gonna be another day. Maybe tomorrow gonna have peace of mind. Maybe tomorrow gonna get it right this time. Every now and again, when I think of you, when you're gone, what you've done, what you've done when
Yeah, how was that?
I can't hear.
Don't you know there's something wrong with me? Maybe tomorrow gonna be another day. Maybe tomorrow gonna be a better way. Maybe tomorrow gonna get it right this time. Maybe tomorrow gonna find peace of mind. Maybe tomorrow gonna be another way. Maybe tomorrow gonna be a better day.
All right.
How was that?
No, it's awesome.
Awesome job, brother. Thanks for coming out to Skydive Danielson.
Thank you.